Hello kids, I'm making this video to go over the two websites that we will be using to create resumes this week, which are Canva and Google Docs. And we are first going to look at Google Docs. So you'll need to go to Google Docs, docs.google.com. This is the first page that comes up. You'll get the Start a New Document. If you click Template Galleries right here, you can scroll down. And there are 5 resume templates here that you can pick from. So I'm just going to click on one to show you a little bit how it works. You are allowed to use any of these. You will need to do one resume on Canva, one on Google Docs, as it says on the assignment sheet. But you can just highlight things, put in your information here. Okay. It already has everything really organized for you. The only thing you need to make sure is that it has all of the headers that my assignment sheet requires. But this is a really great tool for you to use. So this is Google Docs resumes. Now let's go ahead and look at Canva, which is a really great website. So it's canva.com. So when you first get there, this is the page it comes up. You'll want to sign up here. And you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, or email. I recommend signing up just with your Sangamon Valley stuff. I'll go ahead and sign in with mine. So yours might come up with another page. Your goal is to get to this page. But right here, if we search resume, it's going to come up with a ton of different really cool designs for you to use for this assignment. Most of them are free. Just make sure you don't. Some of them will say that they're paid, so just make sure you don't do that. But I will go ahead and click on one of these. Let's get this one. It looks very professional. So this is what Canva looks like if it loads. So over here you can do different things. Most of these you won't really need. To zoom in, you click this down here and you can zoom in as much as you want and then just scroll around. That is how we highlight different things. If I want to go back, I can go back to 50 or so. Double click to type on things. Okay. It's a really great resource. So I would recommend checking Canva out, playing around with a few templates before you choose one. But please let me know if you have any questions with either of these databases. When you go to turn in your Canva resume, you're going to download it, which is this button right here. You're going to probably want to download it as a PDF, which is what it should already be set to. So it prepares your design, then it should download to whatever device you're using, and then you can take this PDF and submit it to Google Classroom. So let me know if you have any help. Let me know if you need any help. Have a good one.